Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and we're going to talk about this little beach buggy and how I lost the files. I started the video, and before I stripped it down and everything, because this thing was really beat, and somehow I lost all the files to it. So as I was getting ready to prepare everything and do the video, boom, all the files are gone. I usually put all this stuff on a separate hard drive away from everything. Well, that's how it goes. Anyways, this went from that purplish pink and yellow spots all over it and a yellow interior, and I'm still looking for a motor for it, to this lacquer Tamiya LP51 with more lacquer, the LP49 pearl clear, and this is called pearl orange, or pure orange, pure orange. So I went ahead and painted it. This was a one and done paint, thank God, because I have been having issues, especially with this truck. I had the perfect paint on it, pearl blue with the put the pearl over the top of it. It really looked really good, and then I dropped it and chipped the paint right there. Welcome to my life. So, and it's like I've been having the same problem with a Ferrari, the Ferrari Berlinetta. Every time I get it done, think I'm just about done, something goes sideways. Anyways, back to this. So I took and kept the transitional wheels on it. This is from 1970. This is the number 30 Beach Buggy. And it looks a lot better than that purplish pink with the yellow spots all over it and everything, and that yellow interior. So I'm going to kind of give you guys an idea of how to detail the wheels on this. Since I don't want to make this into the shortest video in the world, because I horsed around, lost, deleted, who knows what the heck I did. But this is the Motel liquid chrome, and this is the refill pin. I found that using a brush, everything comes out so much better, because it doesn't, what am I trying to say? It doesn't cake it in there, I should say. But I can take and just go at this nice and easy, and I'm still getting it all over the place. Okay, well, I can pick that out of there later. But this is how you bring back that chrome on the wheels. So let's go on to the next wheel. I hope you guys can see all this. This is how you get that chrome back. I kind of wanted to keep the transitional wheels on there because, I don't know, besides the fact of me not having any extra wheels around, especially that size, those are pretty good size. Look at that, comes right back. I mean, these wheels ain't perfect, but they will do. I'm not getting real technical on this. I want it to be a custom resto, not a full-on resto. So put this down. Thinner. That wrong thinner. Try to use the enamel thinner when cleaning the brush on for this. And this is a good brush. I really like this brush. I think I got it off of eBay. Well, as soon as I get it cleaned here, I'll show you the brush. Let me get that out of the way. So, this is a Gadzooks Gaming. And if I remember right, that is a 10-0, what you want to call it. Excuse me. But I always try to keep it covered up, so this way I don't ruin the brushes. So let me see if I can see that. Yeah. But yeah, it's Gadzooks Gaming. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But it's Gadzooks Gaming, and it's been a really, really great brush. As soon as I find a engine, because I was going to 3D print one and it never came out right, so but there you go. Let me pull my turntable out here. And there she is. That pearl really, really come out nice on this. Especially over the orange. Like I said, that's pure orange and pearl clear. LP49 for the clear, and the orange is LP51. Ran through my airbrush at 20 psi, and it really, really come out nice. When I find the engine, find one for it, 3D print one, something, I will make more of a video on this, and you guys can see what's going on there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.